वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल दोस्तों। आज हम आपको बताने वाले हैं जन्माष्टमी पे दोस्तों ऐसे बता रहे हैं। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। जन्माष्टमी फेस्टिवल इज सेलिब्रेटेड एज द बर्थडे ऑफ लॉर्ड कृष्णा। दिस फेस्टिवल इज celebrated all over the world with full faith and reverence. Janmashtami is celebrated not only in India but also Indians settled abroad with full faith and gaiety. The day of birth anniversary of Lord Shri Krishna is celebrated with great pomp. Janmashtami festival is celebrated as the birthday of Lord Shri Krishna, which is celebrated on the Ashtami date of Krishna Paksh of Bhadrapada month or after Raksha Bandhan. Shri Krishna was the eighth son of Devaki and Vasudev. The king of Mathura city was Kansa, who was very tyrannical. Once there was a voice from Akash that his sister Devaki's eighth son would kill her. Hearing this, Kansa put his sister Devaki along with her husband Vasudev in the dungeon. Kansa killed Devaki's seventh children before Krishna. When Devaki gave birth to Sri Krishna, Lord Vishnu ordered Vasudev to take Sri Krishna to Yashoda Mata and Nand Baba in Gokul, where he would be safe from his maternal uncle Kansa. Since then, the festival of Janmashtami is celebrated every year in the joy of his birth. Temples are specially decorated on the day of Sri Krishna Janmashtami. There is a law of fasting for the whole day on Janmashtami. On the day of Janmashtami, Dahi Handi competition is organized in many places in the country. Bal Govind from all over the place participate in the Dahi Handi competition. We should adopt the message of श्री कृष्ण इन आवर लाइव्स। तो दोस्तों ये था जन्माष्टमी पे